Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. Let me present you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for today. So before I proceed, let me say that this video is for educational purpose only. Always use the help of investment professional before investing. So first let me come to the Bank Nifty level. Bank Nifty is currently at around 38,977. So it opened higher. Yeah, so now it is at this point 39,000 almost. So during the day, if it moves and breaks this 39,000 level, it can go as high as 39,465. If it fails to convincingly go above 39,000 and trades below it, it can fall to the upper range of standard pivot range, that is 38,470. Yeah, there can be a fall. Now market will be in a range today because it's a very stable day after budget. So let me come to the Nifty levels. The Nifty levels. So even Nifty is almost trading near the first resistance. So that is here. So this is the point 17,735 around. If it fails to hold this 17,735, so it can fall to the CPR, that is 17,548. But if it holds above it, yeah, it can rise up to 17,866. So now it is very stable around these levels 17,730. So it can be very stable today because it is stabilizing after the budget. And if anybody is willing to trade on today, so if it is convincingly trading above 1775, you can hold Nifty for a target of 17,866. If it trades below it, there is a risk that it can fall up to 17,548. So this is the trading range in Nifty for today. So thank you for watching my video. So you continuously get levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty every day in the morning. So those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. So thank you.